Alright, boys and girls and boys, welcome to Garden Guitar. Let's bring in Henry Moodie. It puts you in a good mood, and this time we'll have a song called Indigo. Great song, obviously very perfect for guitar. 4 chords, that is what we handle here, and that's it. So let's go into this tutorial of Indigo. So, clean fretboard, no need for any capo. Let's learn the chord. We're gonna start with D. That's how the song starts. It's open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is the A sus4, and that goes open A, second D, second G, third B, and open E. We have the E minor, and that goes open D, open E, sorry, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the last chord is G, and it goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming together. It starts with D, so grab that one. One round goes like this. So it's down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. And a couple rounds. So on. All right, so we have this main chord progression. It's not played exactly through the entire song, but almost. It makes up for like 95% at least of the song. So you're gonna play D 4 string rounds, then the A sus 4, then E minor 4, then G2 and A2. So D4, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2, again. Alright, beautiful. Then we have the bridge part. It starts about 3 minutes and 3 seconds in. What you're gonna play now is play D4, G4, then again D4 and G4. That's it. So D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, again D. Then back. All right, and just some technical stuff here. Maybe you noticed we had a third B string there. In 3 out of this 4 chords, so you can actually stay and go around this third B string. You have it from the D, you go into that A sus, which still that same note. Then of course you have to release it on the E minor. Then you go back again on the G chord, you have it down there, and you keep it for the final A. And that is how it spins around like this, okay? So that is some technical stuff you can use to handle this song. So that, my friends, is how you handle Henry Moodie's Indigo. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will support me here on this channel. I will do my best, so appreciate all your support, guys. Like this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.